I'm Graham Wax with Music City Acoustics, and I'm going to show you how to install an acoustic panel. To install an acoustic panel with a French Cleat, you're going to need a few tools: a drill, a hammer, a flathead screwdriver, a tape measure, a level, drywall anchors, screws, and wood screws to attach the French Cleat to the panel. The first step in installing a panel is to mark the wall for our French Cleat hardware. Our hardware is going to be 72 inches from the ground and 36 inches from our sidewall. Alright, now that we've marked the wall for the location of our French Cleat, we'll take the French Cleat and a level to mark the holes that we'll drill for the drywall anchors. From here, we'll go ahead and put our drywall anchors in the wall and then install the French Cleat. So I'll take the hammer and the drywall anchors, tap them in,
drop them, catch them,
install the second one. From here, we'll take our French Cleat and install it on the wall. Once you have your French Cleat on the wall, you want to take a level and make sure that it was installed properly. Alright, this one turned out pretty good, but if you do have any issues, you can take a flathead screwdriver and tap it with the hammer to help level out that cleat. Alright, from here we're ready to put the French Cleat hardware on the back of our panel. So I've got it turned around, and we've already marked out the halfway point, or the midpoint for this panel, which should be on a 2x4 foot panel right at 12 inches. So we'll use that mark to take our French Cleat hardware and a couple of wood screws. Then we'll take the cleat, line it up with our mark, and then screw it on. The important thing here is to make sure that you install the cleat level with the frame, so that when you hang it, it hangs nice and level. We're ready for the last step in installing this panel, which is to hang it on the cleat. So we will pick it up, turn it around, and then you want to line up the hardware with the cleat on the wall, and then just set it down on there. Once you've got it hanging, you can take your level and double check that everything's hanging as it should. And then you're good to go. If you have any other questions about installing your acoustic treatment, please feel free to let us know. Thanks so much for watching.